And then next we are ready for the worst part, which is your seal, your door seal. We do sell these online on our website at forsterdoors.com. I do recommend when you're installing the seal to start at the top in the center and then slowly work your way around the door. I'm going to show you a couple of different angles here. Because it is a little tough to get the seal on there, it does have an application that's put on the inside of the seal that once it gets hot, it'll kind of adheres to the door. That's even a word. But it will seal to the door so that it shouldn't come off in the future. But just kind of work it around the door, pushing in and out. Again, it's hard to get on there because it has a metal strip on the inside of the seal, which you'll see here in a little bit when you cut the seal. I want to get back around to the top. Again, just work it back and forth. Make sure it's pressed on all the way. You should be able to see, as you can see there, when it gets close to the polycarbonate milled edge there, that it gets close to that leading edge there, that the 1/2 inch thick part. It should be fairly close to that edge, and that's how you know the seal is all the way on. You can do this while it's on. It has the door hinges on there, as you can see here. I chose to put it on while it was on the machine, but you can do it while it's on the ground as well if you wish to do so. Again, just be working it back and forth with your fingers, pushing it in and out, as well as kind of down towards the poly. You just got to work it multiple directions. This took me about 10 minutes to install this door seal. I know I skipped several parts here, but it's about a 10-minute process of working nonstop. But you want to make sure you get a tight seal here because you don't want it coming off in the future, and you want your door to seal correctly. Once we get back around to the top here, I'm going to show you how we cut it. You could use a pair of snips. I had a pair of wire cutters, but you can see me kind of setting the seal here and seeing the area where it hits, and then you can cut fairly close to that line. Don't cut it short. You can stretch these seals as well. If you come up short with your seal, it's probably because you weren't stretching it very much as you're putting it on. I didn't stretch it very much at all, but I did a little bit as I was putting it on around the polycarbonate. But you should get enough seal to go around the whole door. But as you can see here, that first part there I'm cutting. That is the metal inside that U shape there of the seal. There's a metal strip that is U-shaped. It is harder to cut. Just try to get a nice straight line. I didn't mark mine here. You can mark it and cut it, but I got it cut fairly straight, and you can see here, kind of put that in its place, and then it makes a nice seal up against the first part where I started the seal to begin with.